Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to change currency in Airbnb. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change the currency, you just simply have to open your Airbnb application at first, and after opening the Airbnb, just simply go to your profile section. And from the profile section, you will get to see this payment and payouts option. Just simply tap into payments and payout, and then you will get to see this pound sign or any of the other currency sign that you have selected. Just simply tap into that option, and then you can select your desired currency from this section. Just simply select the currency that you want into here, and you are all set. I'm selecting this United States dollar. As you can see here, my currency is changed into USD. This way you can easily change currency in Airbnb. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.